Your bank generates an avalanche of internal data every day from your core processor, general ledger, budget, CRM, and other systems. But you may not fully understand what all this data is trying to tell you about your performance drivers, trends, and risks because you have no way to integrate it and analyze it in real time for a quick, proactive advantage. Now you can close the feedback loop on your bank's performance with SNL Banker, the streamlined solution for internal bank reporting and analytics. SNL Banker securely integrates data from all of your internal sources and works with all core processors and ancillary systems. Installed on-site, it's your single foolproof source for a 360-degree view of your bank's performance. SNL Banker helps you maximize performance by providing pre-built dashboards and reports with metrics relevant to each role or team member in your bank. Increase efficiency with your choice of more than 150 pre-built reporting options and the flexibility to add more to fit your reporting needs. Unique to SNL Banker is easy drill down from a company view to the region, branch, banker, teller, or account level. Executives keep daily tabs on asset quality, balance sheet and income statement changes, and overall operations. Finance and credit teams reduce risk by viewing net daily change in deposits, loans, and portfolios. Branch managers track channel mix, branch targets and goals, teller metrics and financials. Lenders and personal bankers monitor portfolios and relationships at risk. Uncover opportunities to build deeper banking relationships. Gain customer insight and target the best prospects for each product. SNL Banker integrates demographic and segment data from Nielsen Cycle to optimize your marketing strategy. You already know SNL Financial is the leading provider of banking industry intelligence for over 25 years, which means bonus benefits like exclusive SNL peer and market data to see how you compare on key metrics and interest rates. You'll be part of the SNL Banker community with access to exclusive webinars and conferences. You'll have your own dedicated SNL Banker advisor, plus access to our unparalleled customer support 24/7. So close your feedback loop. Manage proactively with a single source for the truth about your bank's performance in real time. SNL Banker. Maximize performance, reduce risk, increase efficiency. Contact us now for a free demonstration.